Infidelity, the ultimate relationship betrayal. Can a relationship not only survive but thrive after infidelity? It's a hot topic that's sure to spark some intense conversations. So buckle up as we challenge conventional wisdom and explore the secrets of healing from infidelity. Understanding infidelity. It's not just about catching your partner red-handed or a one-time mistake. Infidelity is a complex web of emotions, circumstances, and decisions that can shake even the strongest of bonds. To heal from it, we must first comprehend what it truly entails. Infidelity encompasses not only physical affairs but emotional connections that stray outside the primary relationship. It's about secrecy, betrayal, and the erosion of trust. It's essential to understand that there's rarely a single root cause. Instead, it's a result of various factors: dissatisfaction, lack of emotional connection, or personal struggles. When confronted with infidelity, it's easy to point fingers, but the truth often lies in a gray area. By acknowledging this complexity, we can begin the process of healing with a more empathetic perspective. Remember, we're not here to justify or excuse infidelity, but to understand it. This understanding will serve as the foundation for rebuilding trust and love. It's a storm of hurt, anger, and confusion that can leave anyone feeling lost at sea. We understand this pain is real and excruciating, but it's a crucial part of the healing process. When infidelity rears its ugly head, it's easy to turn away from the pain, to bury it deep down and pretend it doesn't exist. But that's a dangerous path to take. Healing begins with acknowledging these emotions. It's like tending to a wound. You have to clean it out before it can start to heal. Remember, there's no timeline for healing. Grief, anger, and sadness are all part of the process. Surround yourself with a support system that understands and empathizes with your pain. Friends, family, or even a therapist. You don't have to go through this journey alone, and in fact, it's often better that you don't. Isn't about dwelling on the pain, but about recognizing it and letting it be a stepping stone towards rebuilding trust and love. Stay tuned, because in the upcoming segments, we'll explore how to transform this pain into a powerful catalyst for personal and relational growth. After the storm of infidelity, the path to healing often starts with rebuilding trust, a process akin to mending a shattered vase. It won't look the same, but it can be just as beautiful, if not more so. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, and when infidelity shatters it, it feels like an earthquake. Rebuilding trust takes time, patience, and consistent effort from both partners. It begins with open communication. Both parties must be willing to listen, understand, and be transparent about their feelings, doubts, and insecurities. Transparency is key. It means being honest about your actions, emotions, and intentions. It means answering difficult questions even when the answers may hurt. It means being accountable for your mistakes and showing genuine remorse. However, trust is a delicate flower. It doesn't grow overnight. It needs nurturing and care. Trust-building actions speak louder than words. Consistent, reliable behavior over time. This could be small gestures or significant commitments that demonstrate your dedication to the relationship. Rebuilding trust is a journey of transformation, not just for the relationship but for the individuals involved. It's about learning from past mistakes and emerging as stronger, more resilient versions of yourselves. Remember, rebuilding trust is the crucial cornerstone upon which a healthier, more profound love can be reconstructed. Reconnecting emotionally. It's the phase where you rediscover the love that initially brought you together and create a new, more profound emotional connection. One of the essential aspects of this phase is quality time spent together. This isn't just about occupying the same physical space, it's about investing genuine, undistracted time in each other. Whether it's going on dates, exploring shared hobbies, or merely having heart-to-heart conversations, quality time plays a pivotal role in reigniting the emotional spark. Reconnecting emotionally also involves letting go of resentment and bitterness, which can be formidable barriers to healing. It means forgiving and not constantly bringing up the past. It's a conscious choice to look forward rather than backward. Small gestures of affection become even more meaningful during this phase. They can include simple acts of kindness, like leaving love notes, surprising your partner with their favorite meal, or offering a warm hug when it's needed the most. These gestures demonstrate your commitment and affection. It's important to keep in mind that reconnecting emotionally doesn't mean erasing the past. It's about acknowledging what's happened, learning from it, and using those experiences to strengthen your bond. Sometimes the journey towards rebuilding trust and love can be so challenging that it's akin to navigating treacherous waters. It's during these times that seeking the guidance of a qualified therapist can be a game changer. A professional therapist offers a safe and neutral space for both partners to express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns. They bring expertise and experience in helping couples navigate the complexities of infidelity, facilitating productive conversations, and providing strategies for rebuilding a stronger foundation. One of the significant benefits of seeking professional help is the emphasis on effective communication. A therapist can help both partners learn how to communicate more openly and honestly. They can provide tools and exercises to improve listening skills, empathy, and understanding. Additionally, a therapist can assist in identifying and addressing the root causes of infidelity. It's not enough to simply move past the act of infidelity. Understanding why it happened in the first place is crucial in preventing a recurrence. The decision to seek professional help doesn't signify weakness or failure. Instead, it reflects a commitment to healing and strengthening the relationship. Remember that not all relationships can be saved, but seeking professional help gives you the best chance at reconciliation. As we conclude, we want to emphasize that healing after infidelity is a complex process. It involves understanding, facing the pain, rebuilding trust, reconnecting emotionally, and sometimes seeking professional help. It's about moving forward and creating a relationship that's not just patched up but genuinely improved. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey through healing from infidelity. It's a topic that's both challenging and inspiring, and we hope you found valuable insights to help you or someone you know navigate this complex terrain. If this video has resonated with you or provided you with some guidance, we'd like to ask for your support. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you become a part of our community and we can continue to create content that addresses the real challenges and questions you face. Your engagement in the comment section is also incredibly valuable. Share your thoughts, experiences, and questions. It's in these discussions that we often find the most meaningful insights and connections. Remember, healing from infidelity is a journey. It's about growth, resilience, and the possibility of a stronger, more profound love. You're not alone, and there is hope. Thank you once again for being a part of our community. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore topics that matter to you. Stay strong, stay curious, and stay engaged. Until next time.